All right, it is time to celebrate some birthdays today, and we begin in Cherryvale with Sage Avery Matthews turning 3 today. Happy birthday to you, Sage.
All right, and all the way out in California, we're wishing a happy birthday to Corlin Nesbitt, who is now 7 strong. Now, why would we be wishing Corlin a birthday all the way out in California? Because Corlin is a former Oswego resident, celebrating a golden birthday with love from the family, especially Grandma and Grandpa, who are still here in Oswego.
We've also got Dexton Morgan turning 10 over in Chatopa. Dexton, a very happy birthday to you.
And Camry Neville is 11 years old this year. Camry celebrating in Arma. Happy birthday!
And we've got Gabe Kimsey celebrating birthday number 16 in Pittsburgh. Happy birthday, Gabe.
All right. Shante Sanchez celebrating birthday number 36 this year in Webb City with love from Mom and Izzy.
And we've got Melody Carnes. Melody's birthday was on Sunday, but we are wishing her a happy birthday today because why not celebrate for several days in a row? Melody is in Joplin. Happy birthday to you.
All right, Brian and Susie Natalini are celebrating 38 years of wedded bliss today. They're celebrating in Columbus. And I understand that Susie is one we should recognize because she has a very busy time submitting birthdays and anniversaries for people in the bus, because that's why we can party in the bus.
And Susie, you do a great service to the community of Columbus. Otherwise, there would be no party in the bus. We also have Alyssa Tanner turning 29 in Parsons. Stephen Picanu, celebrating birthday 16 in Joplin. This comes with love from Mom, Dad, Sister, Bubby, and Nanny. Tammy Creviston turning 53 in Iola. We aired your birthday yesterday, but we had a misspelling, so we are so sorry, and we're going to celebrate it twice for you, Tammy.
Helen Normand is celebrating a birthday today along with Simi Peacock in Miami. Simi's birthday was actually yesterday as well. And in Columbus, Charlie Norris, happy birthday. You have a birthday or